Back up a little more. Okay, hold on, let me help you. All right, here we go. Really, go.
Now get him out.
All right. We need to get the dozer. The dozer.
I'm gonna do it. Can I see you over there?
Look at all these sweet vehicles. Are all Lego Duplos. Look at the bulldozer. Look at the excavator. This dump truck is on a trailer. Oh, came apart.
Wait, now wait, look over there.
And then we have the smaller dump truck, which kind of came apart right now, but it's okay. This trailer is stuck. Look at his tires are in the dirt. It's stuck and
Is it old?
it might be, but you can't use your hands. The trick is you have to use your Lego Duplo construction vehicles. All right, dig them out. Dig them out. All right, look at that. I see some tires now. We're starting to get somewhere. Now you need to use the vehicle to pull it. Did you pull him to safety? Oh no, his dumper broke off. Okay, the dozer's broken. That's not good. Do you guys want to know what kind of construction site this is?
Yeah.
This construction site is actually a monster truck ramp. We need to build the monster truck ramp with the construction, with the dirt. We need to pile it all up, and then we're gonna make it into... The problem is we don't have a monster truck. And you know what kind of vehicle I think would really, really, really help? A skid loader. We don't have a skid loader. At least not a Lego skid loader. All right, here we go. This is a big mound here.
We have to dig in.
Looks like something might be buried here, so we need to dig.
Why is it so?
Let's see. Oh man, what is that?
A Lego.
Oh, it's a skid loader. That's exactly what we need to complete our project. Oh, there's another Lego set?
And the monster truck Lego set.
Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Now we can finish the whole construction site. It's a monster truck Lego city set. Guys, I got a question for you. What is it? Guys, I gotta ask you a question. Should we build the Lego sets and have it help us with our monster truck arena?
Be right back.
All right, let's go.
Alright, guys, we're gonna build a Lego set.
You're gonna build the Lego sets? Which one are we gonna start with?
I don't think there's anything in here. Let's see, guys. Let's see.
Put up first. Kind of show. Skid loader. Whoa. Oh my goodness, this looks pretty cool, man. Really cool. Let's see how it does in the dirt. Dozer's been doing all the work over here while you've been getting that built. Oh man. Super cool. All right.
Whoa, it actually works. So cool.
Okay guys, we gotta keep on building. This is the construction site right over here. Let's keep on building.
Yeah, man, we gotta keep digging this dirt. Whoa. I'm king of the mountain.
I win.
Check the skid steer in action. Need a dump truck to dump it in though. There's a dump truck. How does it work? Does it work pretty good, Blake? Blake, does it work pretty good? Hey there, excavator. How's the digging going over there? You don't know? How is the monster truck ramp coming? Are you doing a good job? Well, the monster truck's not done, but we can build the ramp. Come on, let's build the ramp, Dozer. Oh. Oh, look at Emberly wants to do it too. I think we probably maybe we should get Dozer to go over there and help push some of that dirt up in the air or up in a big hill. What do you think? Should we start like that? All right, Dozer, we need you to start. Okay, I'll start. Here we go. I'm pushing the dirt up, 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 up. Oh man, it's a lot of dirt, dude. It's super heavy. Oh, hey, Dumpy. Right now, I'm just trying to build a little bit of a ramp for the monster truck to could jump off of. Oh man, look at all this dirt. It's almost bigger than me. Okay, there we go. Okay, hey guys, we gotta pat it down a little bit. Make it just a little bit stronger. Kind of flatter and smoother since we don't really have you know what we need to get, Wade?
Yeah.
We don't have like a really good like steamroller. Big block. This big block of dirt right here. Look at this. Put it right on Blake's foot. No. Here.
No.
Ow!
He's going up here.
Okay, should I squeeze it? Ready? Ugh. Yuck. Yuck.
He's driving down. He's backing up.
Guys, dude, I think we might need like a little bit more dirt. You guys think we should get some more dirt?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think
look at the size of this pile now. It's huge. Dude, I think we need the bulldozer and all these construction vehicles to help make this into like a perfect ramp for the monster truck.
here's a dinosaur to help.
A dinosaur is going to help with the construction site? I've never even seen a real dinosaur before.
He's gonna help.
I've always wanted to have a real dinosaur.
He's gonna help. He's gonna help.
Okay. There. I think the ramp is about as good as it's going to get. What do you think, Emberly? Yeah, you're dirty. Maybe we can flatten it with this shovel. There. There. See this thing? Oh my goodness! Look at this monster truck! Let's see it go off of our ramp that we made.
He's gonna get stuck.
It got stuck. What happened to the ramp that we made? You guys wrecked the ramp? In the time it took us to build the monster truck, you were able to wreck the ramp. That's pretty goofy.
What? There?
Let's see if he goes over, okay? I'm gonna push him. Let's see if he goes. Okay?
Or the other monster truck?
Nope, I'm gonna push him. Should we see if he goes?
Do we have to crush the other monster?
Oh, you want me to drive over that one? Okay, let's see. Whoa.
You can.
Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Oh.
I think we should do that.
Do that again?
Let me see Scooby.
Scooby, come on over here, Scooby-Doo.
Oh! Oh, I'm gonna try again. I don't know if I can do it. It's a little bit rough.
He's gonna crush it!
Oh,
he did.
he ran right into the bulldozer. Oh man, that could have really hurt.
It's a monster truck.
Oh, the monster truck got out.
And now Scooby.
Oh, he's out. He's so dirty. Look at that.
No, you can't go yet. Look at
Oh, he's gonna run over Scooby?
Yeah.
This is gonna be crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? Don't have too much fun without me. I want to watch.
Yeah, I want to get crushed.
Oh man, he flew way over there. Oh. And whoa, he landed on his wheels. Let's see you crush the
We have to
dump truck.
We have to take him out.
You like bury him too? Well, don't you think this skid loader could help bury him? I can help bury him, of course. Let me scoop up some dirt. There we go. Scoop up some more. Yep, there. All right.
This might take a while.
Could take a while. But that's okay, because we're working hard and having fun, right?
Yeah.
All right, we look buried. Let's do it. Run him over, monster truck. Let's go. Oh, bash right into the side of him.
Bound.
Wow, man, he really flies when he jumps. Oh, right next to the dump truck. Oh.
Black bounds him.
He threw it that time. Oh, man. Oh, you crashed right into him, knocked him over.
I think it's the skid steer's turn.
Oh, the skid steer's gonna get run over?
Yes.
Oh, man, he's small enough that we could lose him in the dirt. Let's remember where he buried him. Oh, man.
That's so cool.
That was so cool. That was
I
awesome.
think we should put that. It could go in the dump truck. Drop over skid steer.
He's buried in the dirt, and he was gonna run him over. All right, here he goes. Run him over. Oh, man. Flew way down over there again. Oh.
It took me right out.
All right, Wade.
Now I'm trying to activate.
Wade, buddy.
What?
Why don't we say goodbye to the kids, huh?
No.
Because we can just play by ourselves. We still got some work to do. And we showed the kids our new. Did you show them the new trucks? Yep.
Thanks for watching.
What else are you gonna say?
Give us a like, subscribe.
That's right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Blake, say bye.
Just drive that.
And they're driving away. All right. See you later, guys. Bye.